Dash cams, short for dashboard cameras, are compact video recording devices that are installed in vehicles to capture real-time footage of the road ahead and the surrounding environment. These devices have gained immense popularity in recent years due to their multifaceted utility and the invaluable peace of mind they offer to drivers. Dash cams typically feature high-definition cameras, wide-angle lenses, and loop recording functionality, ensuring continuous recording of the journey. They serve various purposes, such as providing evidence in case of accidents or disputes, documenting road trips, and even deterring potential vandals or thieves when the vehicle is parked. Moreover, many advanced dash cams come equipped with additional features like GPS tracking, Wi-Fi connectivity, and collision detection, further enhancing their utility. With the ability to record both day and night, dash cams offer a reliable and impartial eyewitness account, making them an essential accessory for safety-conscious drivers and anyone looking to safeguard their driving experiences. Hello! Watch our video for in-depth dash cam reviews, find the ideal model, and make informed choices that suit your requirements. Stay updated and select from the finest options available today. AZDOME, a renowned brand in the dashcam industry, has secured a remarkable 5th place in our rankings, underscoring the trustworthiness of our evaluation process. This particular dashcam boasts a built-in GPS feature, enabling precise recording of your driving route and speed for future reference. What sets it apart is the convenience of real-time video access through the integrated Wi-Fi function and the complementary AZDOME app, which is compatible with both iPhone and Android devices. You can effortlessly view and share recorded videos with friends and family with just a few taps on the AZDOME app. The 24-hour parking monitor function is worth noting, although it necessitates an external power source. In the event of an impact reaching the G-sensor level, the camera activates, records a 1-minute video, and securely saves it. To utilize this feature, it's essential to connect the dash cam to an external power source during operation. AZDOME's durability is impressive, capable of withstanding extreme weather conditions spanning from -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 158 degrees Fahrenheit, -20 degrees Celsius to 70 degrees Celsius. This ruggedness ensures reliability in both scorching hot and freezing cold environments, promising a longer lifespan compared to lithium-ion battery-powered dash cams. Furthermore, the concealed 6IR LED lights enhance image quality within the vehicle, and the wide f/1.8 aperture guarantees exceptional image clarity, day or night. Thanks to a 6-glass wide-angle lens and proprietary focal length technology, even intricate details like license plates are captured accurately in low-light conditions. With AZDOME, nothing can hinder your next adventure on the road. Ranked 4th in our list, 70mi has solidified its position as a key player in the dashcam industry. Their 70mi dashcam boasts 1080p HD picture quality, ensuring the clear capture of license plates and road signs, preserving crucial details for evidence. This feature allows you to record your journey exactly as you perceive it with your own eyes. Powered by a Sony image sensor, this car dashcam delivers top-notch performance in varying lighting conditions. The incorporation of WDR, wide dynamic range, technology effectively addresses exposure issues in both dark and bright environments, guaranteeing stable performance even during nighttime drives, making it your reliable car guardian. To utilize the 70mi app, the hotspot pairing feature must be enabled on the camera. Once connected, the dashcam Lite seamlessly transmits live feeds to your phone, ensuring that video evidence is readily accessible when needed. The integrated G-sensor, with adjustable sensitivity, automatically locks onto live video in the event of a collision or crash, enabling accurate reconstruction of the accident scene for your peace of mind. Moreover, the dashcam autonomously overwrites older videos with the most recent ones, while videos are automatically saved and stored locally on a microSD memory card during your drives, ensuring that vital video evidence remains protected from overwriting. With 70mi, you're equipped for a secure and documented driving experience. Don't forget to subscribe or give a like. Securing the third position in our rankings, the REDTIGER dashcam distinguishes itself with an impressive array of safety and convenience features. This driving recorder boasts an exceptional optical lens featuring an ultra-wide f1.5 aperture and 6 layers, coupled with HDR/WDR technology, ensuring the clear capture of critical details even in low light conditions. Connecting the dashcam to your smartphone via Wi-Fi enables you to utilize the REDTIGER app on both iOS and Android devices, providing access to viewing, playback, and management of dashcam footage. You can even download and edit videos directly within the app, simplifying the sharing of your travel experiences with friends and family. Notably, this dashcam comes equipped with built-in GPS functionality, recording essential data such as driving routes, real-time speed, and location. You can easily track this information on Google Maps via the app or with the dedicated Windows and Mac GPS player, offering additional evidence in case of accidents. The loop recording feature ensures continuous recording even when the SD card is full, automatically overwriting older footage. Moreover, a G-sensor detects sudden collisions, locking and preserving the corresponding video. For added security, the dashcam offers a 24-hour parking monitor with time-lapse recording when equipped with a hardware kit. REDTIGER's dashcam combines cutting-edge technology and user-friendly features to enhance both safety and convenience on the road. ROVE claims the second position on our list with its cutting-edge dashcam offerings. The ROVE R2-4K dash camera sets a new standard by recording videos at an impressive 2160p resolution, delivering Ultra HD video quality that surpasses all other car dashcams. This level of clarity and quality is especially evident in comparison to its competitors. The inclusion of revolutionary Super Night Vision technology ensures that you obtain remarkably clearer footage and images even in low light conditions. The ROVE app enhances convenience, enabling instant viewing and management of dashcam recordings on both iOS and Android devices. You can swiftly download your recorded 4K videos to your smartphone at a blazing speed of up to 6 megabytes per second and effortlessly share them on social media with friends and family. The built-in GPS accurately records your driving location and speed, with the ability to view your driving route and tracker on Google Maps via Wi-Fi using the app or with the dedicated GPS player. ROVE goes a step further by offering free firmware upgrades for this car camera, allowing hassle-free over-the-air updates through the ROVE app. Furthermore, this car dashboard camera comes equipped with a built-in supercapacitor, f1.5 apertures, parking mode, motion detection, a 150 degrees A+ wide-angle lens, G-sensor, loop cycle recording, emergency video lock, time-lapse video, and supports micro SD cards of up to 512 GB with Class 10 U3 speed rating. ROVE's dashcam is a versatile and feature-rich solution for capturing your driving experiences with unparalleled clarity and convenience. Don't forget to subscribe or give a like. AZDOME stands as an emblem of excellence within our thoughtfully curated dashcam selection, reinforcing its unmatched leadership in this field. The AZDOME Smart Dashcam 1S elevates your recording capabilities to 1080p Full HD resolution, ensuring that every detail on the road is meticulously captured. Equipped with the Sony IMX307 image processor and an f/2.2 aperture, this dashcam excels in low-light scenarios, providing clear images even in dimly lit environments. Safety is paramount with the built-in G-sensor, allowing the AZDOME Smart Dashcam 1S to autonomously record emergency situations and safeguard the videos as event files to prevent accidental deletion. For a hands-free and secure experience, voice commands grant you control over the camera, enabling easy photo taking and video recording solely through your voice commands. The dashcam seamlessly overwrites older videos with newer ones, while also automatically saving and storing videos locally on a microSD memory card during your drives, preserving crucial video evidence from being overwritten. It supports high-endurance Class 10 microSD memory cards ranging from 16 GB to 64 GB. With its built-in Wi-Fi, the dashcam connects effortlessly to the AZDOME app, allowing you to view real-time footage, play recorded videos, and download files to your smartphone. Additionally, this functionality facilitates continuous OTA updates, automatically resolving issues and updating software to keep your device at its best. AZDOME's Smart Dashcam 1S combines exceptional features with user-friendly controls, ensuring that your driving experiences are captured with clarity and convenience. We are immensely grateful for your vital role in advancing dashcam technology. Your unwavering support and valuable insights drive our innovation. Your active involvement is essential to our success, and we genuinely appreciate your ongoing contributions.